Hello, this is Group 3's Project 2. In this project, we made a few changes from the original product to make the product stronger and cheaper to make. The first of these changes was in the 3 closed holes as seen in figure A and C on the next slide. We took the center hole and moved it to the top right corner of the product. The second of the changes was with the oval-shaped holes in the bent side of the mount. We turned them into multiple smaller holes that can be changed back into the oval shape if the consumer sees the need. The ends of the long holes also line up with the smaller holes on the face of the mount. The last change we made was to make the 2 impressions on the face the same depth to help with the strength. Here on the left side is the original design specifications. On the right is a list of the processes and a rough idea of what the product will look like after each process. We will be using a piece of thin sheet metal, preferably aluminum. The first step is to blank out a 21.42 inch by 14.22 inch square with 1.71 inch by 1.71 inch squares out of each of the 4 corners. Keeping it square will make the following processes easier and more efficient because there will be 2 pieces made at once. The next process is piercing. The piercing creates the holes in the product. The holes are all pierced at once, which helps decrease the amount of bend and twist that occurs in the piercing process. The next process is shallow drawing, which strengthens the mount. The next step for making the mount is shearing. The shearing will make a 30-degree angle at the bottom left side and a 60-degree angle at the top right. This separates the 2 mounts that are then pushed into the final stage, bottom bending. In the bottom bend, we will need to bend the piece 90 to 92 degrees to compensate for the bend back. After the entire process of making the product is done, the remaining scraps are melted down and made into another piece of sheet metal. Thank you for watching.